Human Development Foundation was a gift to Pakistan by Pakistani diaspora in the United States and North America. And it was gifted to Pakistan on its 50th birthday in 1997. So these 25 years has been a monumental journey for HDF. HDF mainly focuses its work on 5 areas, which is education, healthcare, economic development, sustainable environment, and social mobilization. We have a very enviable data for our work that we have done in the field of education and healthcare especially, but not trying to undermine the efforts that we made and the results that we have achieved in environment.